In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a shared note-taking plugin in Obsidian. By the end, you'll have the tools you need to collaborate smoothly in a shared vault and bring existing notes into Obsidian without hassle. We'll install and enable two community plugins, one that helps you share and sync notes using Git, and another that makes importing content from other apps straightforward. I'll also share clear guidance along the way so you understand what each step does and why it matters. Start by opening the Obsidian app and making sure you're in the vault you want to use for shared notes. If you keep multiple vaults, double check the name in the top left so you don't install plugins into the wrong one. It's a good practice to have a backup of your notes before adding new plugins, just in case you want to roll back changes. Next, open Settings. You'll find it in the left sidebar or by using the app menu. In Settings, navigate to the Community Plugins section. This is where you can explore and manage tools built by the community to extend Obsidian's capabilities. If you see a prompt warning about community plugins, it simply reminds you to install from sources you trust. Proceed when you're comfortable. Click Browse to open the Community Plugin browser. In the search bar, type Git. The Obsidian Git plugin is a popular solution for shared note-taking because it lets you sync changes through a Git repository, which makes collaboration and version history more reliable. Select the Git plugin from the results, click Install, and then click Enable. Enabling activates the plugin in your current vault, adding its commands and options to the app so you can use it right away. Now, while you're still in the plugin browser, search for Importer. The Importer plugin helps you bring notes from other platforms into your vault, which is especially useful when teammates are migrating content to a shared setup. Choose the Importer plugin, click Install, and then Enable. With both Git and Importer enabled, you're set up to collaborate and to bring outside notes into the same space. You can now close the plugin browser to return to Obsidian. Look to the left side of the interface for the Importer entry or icon. Click it to open the Importer panel. This dedicated view centralizes migration tools so you don't have to manually convert files yourself. If your screen layout is different, expand the left sidebar to reveal the Importer option. Inside Importer, you'll see an area where you can choose the file format you want to bring into Obsidian. Pick the format that matches your existing notes, such as Markdown files or export packages from other note-taking apps. The importer will guide you through selecting source files or folders and choosing a destination inside your vault. As you import, keep your folder structure tidy so your shared notes stay organized and easy for collaborators to navigate. Also, review imported attachments like images or PDFs to ensure everything landed in the right place and that nothing sensitive was included by mistake. At this point, you've installed and enabled the Git plugin for shared syncing and opened Importer so you can bring existing content into the vault. This combination sets the groundwork for smooth collaboration. Importer gets your notes in and Git keeps everyone aligned as changes happen. If you're new to Git-based workflows, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the plugin's settings later, like how often it should commit or pull changes, and where your repository lives. Small adjustments there can make day-to-day teamwork much smoother. That's it. You've navigated to Settings, opened Community Plugins, browsed and installed Git and Importer, enabled both, closed out and launched Importer from the left side to choose your import format. With these pieces in place, your Obsidian Vault is ready for shared note-taking and clean migrations from other tools. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building a collaborative knowledge base that stays organized, searchable, and synced.